Hey everybody, today's gonna be a little bit different than the normal videos I do. I got a World's Finest box in yesterday and I wanted to open it up and show everybody what I got. And this is the fourth box in the series so far. First boxes were Batman, then Wonder Woman, then Justice League, and now it's Superman. It's a pretty cool box. Clark Kent press pass. Got his suit. It's a pretty good sized box. World's Finest. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we get. Has the slide and it reveals Superman symbol. It's pretty cool. Got the belt symbol. You got the cape on the back. I always like these boxes. They're pretty cool. Good to put all your collectibles in, keep comic books or anything else. Let's open it up, see what we get. Card, let you know everything you got. Okay. Little satchel. Daily Planet. Opens up. Shows the cape. It's a pretty good bag. Be nice to carry stuff around in. Got some pockets right here. Pretty good quality. Opens up pretty wide. Be nice to carry stuff around in. All right, let's see what else we got. Ah, a t-shirt. Daily Planet shirt. I like that. Simple, but I like it. Let's see what else. Daily Planet desk organizer. I don't have a desk, but it could come in handy. Let's open it up. Don't want to drop it. Nice to keep your pencils and stuff in. Put paper clips, fill it full of paper clips, candy. It's pretty nice. Ceramic, so be careful with it. I like this. Nice throw blanket. That'll come in handy with winter coming. Looks just like the cape. Fleece cover. Good size. These boxes are always pretty good. They've got a lot of good stuff in them. Superman statue. like that. Go well with the other ones I've already got. Need to set those up. I think it's a lanyard. Quite a bit of stuff in this box. Yep, it's a Daily Planet lanyard. Got your press pass. Put your picture in there. All your information. Pretty nice. This is a shirt that I got in the Batman box. Let's see what else. Crypto pen. And last thing. The Daily Planet journal. Nice leather journal. There we go. Better look at it. It's got the Daily Planet insignia on there. Superman symbol inside. Good to make your grocery lists or to-do list. Or if you want to keep a journal, write down your thoughts and or your pop lists. There you go. And that's it for the box. Got the Superman symbol on the inside. I highly recommend these boxes. I haven't been let down yet since I've got them. Hoping that the next one is Green Lantern or the Flash. Maybe the Joker soon. I'd say they do all heroes and then they'll go to the villains. But I will continue to purchase these boxes. And I hope this video helped you make up your mind if you wanted one as well. I thought I would change it up and, like I said, do something a little different and show you some of the other collectibles that I get. Alright, thank you guys. Please like the video and subscribe, and I'll make more videos. And I have a Poptopia box, mystery box, that I'm going to open up soon, and I'm going to do that video probably today or tomorrow, and I'll get that out, and hopefully I'll get something good. Alright, thank you guys.